Imagine this. You see a video of a politician making a shocking confession. It's all over the news. The problem? It's completely fake, created using deep fake technology. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's the reality we're facing. Deep fakes, powered by artificial intelligence, are blurring the lines between truth and fiction at an alarming rate. This technology poses a significant threat to our society, potentially eroding trust, manipulating elections, and inciting violence. It's crucial to understand deep fakes, their potential for harm, and how we can fight back against this emerging threat to truth and authenticity. The future of information, and perhaps even democracy itself, hangs in the balance. Deepfakes are videos, audio recordings, or images manipulated using artificial intelligence to convincingly replace one person's likeness with another's. Imagine a video where your favorite actor's face is superimposed onto someone else's body, making it appear as if they are doing or saying things they never did. That's the essence of a deepfake. These manipulations are so sophisticated that they can be incredibly difficult to detect with the naked eye. Deepfakes exploit powerful algorithms known as Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. GANs pit two AI models against each other. One generates fake content, and the other tries to identify it as fake. This process continues until the generated content is so realistic that the discriminator AI can no longer distinguish it from genuine content. The result is a highly convincing fake that can deceive even the most discerning viewer. Creating a deep fake might sound complicated, but the process is becoming increasingly accessible. While creating high-quality deep fakes still typically requires technical expertise and powerful computers, user-friendly software and readily available resources are making it easier for individuals with limited technical knowledge to dabble in this technology. The process often starts with gathering a large data set of images or videos of the target person. This data is then fed into a deep learning algorithm, which analyzes and learns the person's facial expressions, mannerisms, and voice patterns. Once the algorithm is trained, it can generate new content featuring the target, making them appear to say or do things they never actually did. This accessibility raises concerns about the potential for misuse and the need for safeguards to prevent malicious applications. Section 4. Deepfakes. Not always a villain. While deepfakes are often associated with malicious intent, it's important to acknowledge that not all applications are inherently bad. In fact, this technology has shown promise in various fields, including entertainment, education, and even accessibility. In filmmaking, deepfakes can be used to de-age actors, recreate historical figures, or even finish a film if an actor passes away during production. Educational institutions can utilize deep fakes to create engaging historical reenactments or bring famous figures to life. Moreover, this technology can be used to create personalized learning experiences or provide accessibility tools for people with disabilities. However, it's crucial to ensure that these positive applications don't overshadow the potential harms of malicious deepfake use. Section 5. The dark side. Deepfakes and misinformation. The most alarming aspect of deepfakes is their potential to fuel misinformation and manipulate public opinion. Imagine a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war on another country. The consequences of such a video, even if debunked later, could be catastrophic. Deepfakes can erode trust in institutions, incite violence and unrest, and even sway elections by spreading false information about candidates. The ability to manipulate audio and video evidence undermines the very foundation of truth and authenticity in our digital age. The ease with which deepfakes can be created and disseminated on social media platforms amplifies their potential impact. Once a deepfake is released into the wild, it can be incredibly difficult to control its spread, causing widespread confusion and damage. Section 6. Real-world deepfakes, from politics to Hollywood. Deepfakes are no longer a hypothetical threat. They're already making their mark on our world. In 2018, a deepfake video of former US President Barack Obama went viral, showcasing the technology's potential to deceive and manipulate. In 2019, a deep-fake audio recording of a CEO's voice was used to scam a company out of millions of dollars, highlighting the financial risks associated with this technology. The entertainment industry hasn't been immune either, with deepfakes being used to create non-consensual pornography of celebrities, raising serious ethical and legal concerns. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. As deepfake technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and convincing manipulations, making it increasingly difficult to discern truth from fiction. Section 7. Combating the deepfake threat. A call to action. The rise of deepfakes presents a critical challenge, but it's not an insurmountable one. Addressing this threat requires a multi-pronged approach involving technological advancements, media literacy, legislation, and platform responsibility. Researchers are developing detection tools to identify and flag deepfakes, while social media companies are implementing policies to combat the spread of misinformation. Legislation is being considered to criminalize the malicious use of deepfakes, particularly in the context of elections and defamation. However, technology alone cannot solve this problem. Educating the public about deepfakes, promoting media literacy, and encouraging critical thinking are essential to empower individuals to identify and reject misinformation. We must approach digital content with a healthy dose of skepticism, verify information from multiple sources, and be wary of sensationalized content designed to evoke strong emotional responses. The fight against deepfakes is a collective effort, requiring collaboration between governments, tech companies, researchers, and individuals to protect the integrity of our information ecosystem. The future of truth, trust, and democracy itself may very well depend on our ability to meet this challenge head-on.